So now we are going to look at our second example. Remember that with our first example, we got -2. And the reason we got a negative answer is because our slope was running in this direction, leading towards the left. So we got a negative answer. I recall too that we use the rise, which was 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So M is equal to the rise over run. The rise was 4 units. All right. So going up was 4 units, positive direction. So we have a +4. Going up is positive, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a +4. Then we had the run, which was 1, 2 units, and we're going to the left. So that's a negative direction there. So that would have been -2 for our run. Right? So 4 divided by -2, the answer would be -2. So a quick recap of what we did for the first example. Now we're going to look at our second example. So we look here, we see that the line is actually leaning towards the right. So the slope is towards the right. So we know right away that what we're going to get a positive answer. But let's use our formula to work it out first of all. We know that the gradient is equal to the rise over run. All right? Rise over run. And the rise is our y values, right? Because the y values are the ones that are going in the vertical. So we have y2 minus y1 which is our rise, rising up. And then our run, that is our vertical axis. Now the x-axis is x2 minus x1. So let's look at this now. What is y2? Well, y2 is our first value at the top here, and that is 1. So y2 is 1. And we're going to take from that y1, which is -4. That y1 is -4, y-axis there. So it's 1 minus -4, and we're going to put the -4 in a bracket. Right? So we're going to find out what the run is now. And the run is the horizontal values, which are the x values. All right, so let's do that. So our x2 value, x2 at the top, is 1. So our x2 value minus our x1 value, the bottom there, and that is -4. So we're gonna put that -4 in bracket. Let's do our calculation now. Remember that -4 multiplied by negative is equal to positive. So we actually have 1 plus 4. Negative times negative gives us positive. Bear that in mind, guys. So we have 1 plus 4. And negative times -4 again gives us positive 4. So again, we have 1 plus 4. So we actually have here is 1 plus 4 over 1 plus 4, which is 5 over 5, right? And that is equal to 1. 5 into 5 goes 1 time. So our gradient is 1. And we know it is positive because the slope is going towards the right. All right? Now let's verify this. Let's check to see if what we have is correct. Should we have 5 over 5 for a rise over run? Let's see. So these are our 2 points here. So we draw this line. Showing us our 2 points. Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units for a rise. Right? And then for a run, and notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going up. So that's positive, right? The slope is sloping upwards. So the 5 that we check here is a positive 5. All right? And then we see that the slope is also going towards the right. So we know that the run is also positive. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So it's 5 over 5, right? Rise over run, 5 over 5. And that's equal to 1. All right? So gradient is correct.